Are you ready to awaken the adventurer within, to embark on a journey that will reshape your life, ignite your spirit, and lead you to the uncharted territories of excitement and growth? Welcome to a quest that will challenge your limits, broaden your horizons, and remind you that the thrill of the unknown is the essence of life itself. In this electrifying video, we unveil the secrets to embracing the unknown, the very blueprint to ignite the spark of adventure that resides within you. Join us as we uncover the untold stories of those who dared to step outside their comfort zones, those who soared beyond limitations, and those who discovered the extraordinary within the unexplored. Ladies and gentlemen, adventurers of all kinds, get ready to unlock the secret to a life that's not just lived, but truly thrived. Prepare to immerse yourself in a journey that will forever alter your perspective, empower your spirit, and ignite the flames of curiosity within your heart. Get ready to embrace the unknown and journey into a world of limitless possibilities. Embracing uncertainty, the path to personal growth. Stepping out of your comfort zone isn't easy, but it's where the magic happens. Embracing uncertainty is a catalyst for personal growth. When you challenge yourself, you discover strengths you never knew you had. Whether it's conquering a fear of heights or navigating through a foreign city, each experience shapes you. The fear of the unknown often holds us back, but by confronting that fear, you create a new sense of self-assurance. Every time you embrace uncertainty, you're proving to yourself that you can adapt and thrive in new situations. Remember, embracing uncertainty isn't about seeking reckless danger. It's about calculated risks that push your boundaries and expand your horizons. Building resilience in the face of the unknown life is full of surprises, not all of them pleasant. But by embracing the unknown, you build resilience that helps you weather life's storms. Every time you step into the unknown and come out stronger, you're reinforcing your ability to adapt and thrive no matter what comes your way. Think of life as an unpredictable journey. By actively seeking new experiences, you're better equipped to handle whatever comes next. Embracing the unknown prepares you for the uncertainties of life. Resilience isn't just about bouncing back from difficulties, it's about bouncing forward, armed with new skills and perspectives. Embracing uncertainty transforms you into a more adaptable and resourceful individual. Broadening your horizons. Embracing different cultures. One of the most enriching aspects of embracing the unknown is the opportunity to immerse yourself in different cultures. When you open yourself to the unfamiliar, you learn to appreciate diverse perspectives and broaden your horizons. It's a journey of self-discovery and empathy. Traveling to new places and engaging with people from different backgrounds challenges your preconceptions and expands your understanding of the world. Embracing the unknown is not just about conquering physical challenges, it's about embracing the richness of human diversity. By understanding and respecting various cultures, you become a global citizen capable of fostering connections across borders. Embracing love and relationships with an open heart. Embracing the unknown isn't just about exploring the world, it's about opening up to meaningful connections. Entering new relationships, whether they're friendships or romantic partnerships, requires vulnerability. But that vulnerability can lead to some of the most rewarding experiences life has to offer. When you open your heart to new relationships, you create space for love, support, and shared experiences. Embracing the unknown in relationships means accepting that not everything is under your control, but the rewards of deeper connections are well worth it. Whether it's building new friendships or finding a soulmate, embracing uncertainty means being open to the unexpected twists and turns of love. Embracing opportunities. Carpe diem. Life is a series of moments, and embracing the unknown means seizing those opportunities. Regrets often stem from what we didn't do, not what we did. Embracing the unknown is about saying yes to chances that could change everything. Too often we hold back due to fear of failure or the unfamiliar. But remember, the most remarkable stories come from those who embraced opportunities with open arms. Every yes to the unknown is a step toward a life fully lived. Seize the day, for it's in the uncertainty of tomorrow that the most beautiful opportunities lie. The mindset of curiosity. Navigating the unknown. Embracing the unknown goes hand in hand with cultivating a mindset of curiosity. Curiosity is the fuel that propels us into uncharted territories. It's the desire to understand, to learn, and to evolve. When you're curious, you're open to the mysteries of the world. Adopting a curious mindset allows you to view challenges as opportunities for growth. Instead of fearing the unknown, you embrace it as a chance to explore, learn, and innovate. Embracing the unknown in everyday life. Embracing the unknown isn't limited to grand adventures. It's a philosophy you can integrate into your everyday life. You don't have to climb mountains to embrace the unknown. Trying a new activity, stepping outside your routine, or engaging with new ideas can bring the same sense of fulfillment. By infusing the spirit of adventure into your daily life, you'll find joy in the unexpected, growth in the challenges, and a renewed appreciation for the present moment. And there you have it, fellow adventurers. Embracing the unknown is the key to unlocking a life of adventure, growth, and fulfillment. So as you go forward, remember that embracing the unknown isn't just a choice. It's a mindset that can transform your life. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our upcoming adventures. Until next time, keep embracing the unknown and thriving in every moment. Stay adventurous.